In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add passwordless logins in WordPress. Implementing passwordless logins in a WordPress plugin involves creating a mechanism for users to log in without using traditional passwords. This can improve security and user experience. One common approach is to use email magic links or one-time login tokens. To get started, all you need to do is install a plugin first. To do so, log into your WordPress website, hover over Plugins, and click on Add New. Now, simply search for the Magic Login plugin. And from the list of various plugins, this is the plugin that we're looking for. So simply click on Install Now, and you can see the plugin rating here, and it's also compatible with the WordPress version. Once installed, click on Activate. This plugin allows your users to log into your WordPress website without remembering a password. They'll simply click on a link that's sent to their email inbox to gain access to the site and their account. Once the plugin is activated, it'll seamlessly integrate a Request Login link button into the standard WordPress login screen. This empowers your users to either log in using their username or email and password if they recall it, or alternatively, request a special login link in case they don't remember their password. If there's a valid account on your website for the username or email address entered, then the user will receive an email with a link to log in. The link will work for 5 minutes and then expire. To change the settings, simply log in, hover over Settings, and click on Magic Login. You can see various settings over here to configure. You can change the default login behavior from here. You can also add a Magic Login button to WordPress forms. The lifespan of the login link can also be changed from here. Token validity can also be configured from here. You can make changes to various settings here. And this was all about how to set passwordless logins in WordPress. In case you're looking for more videos related to WordPress, then I'm linking a few of them in the description. You can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.